Family of four found dead in apparent murder-suicide by New York police sergeant. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A husband and wife and their two children ages 10 and 12 were found dead in a suburban New York home Saturday in what authorities describe as a murder-suicide by the police sergeant. Police officers said that Watson Morgan, a sergeant with the Bronxville Police Department, fatally shot his wife Ornella Morgan, aged 43 years old, and their two sons before taking his own life. The four bodies were discovered by police just after midnight on Friday at the family's home in New City, a suburb of New York City, after Morgan failed to show up for his evening shift at Bronxville Police Department. At this phase of the investigation, it is believed that Watson killed his wife and two children prior to killing himself with a self-inflicted gunshot wound, the Clarkstown Police Department said in a statement. All four had gunshot wounds, the police said. A handgun was also recovered at the scene. In a statement, Bronxville Police Department Christopher Satrell said that the killing left the department with profound broken heart at the senseless loss of innocent lives. Our heart goes out to Sergeant Morgan's extended family, he said. Our thoughts and prayers are also with the Bronxville Police Department family. Sergeant Watson, aged 49 years old, began his career with the New York Police Department in the year 2000 before joining the force of Bronxville, a village in Westchester County. 7 years later, according to a department biography, he was promoted to sergeant in 2016. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.